Hello everyone, it's Tafari here, back with another video. I'm going to delete the stuff from yesterday's video. And we're going to be talking about how you can make $100 per day as a completely broke starting out with nothing. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so you're obviously wondering, you watch this video because you want to make 100 per day starting with $0. And there's really, this is so simple, so easy. Well, it's easy if you want to learn how to do these things and how to get it and start doing it. So I want you to watch this entire video, stick to the end because I have a bonus also for at the end of this video for you. I'm going to be teaching you how to make $100 per day if you have $0 starting. Okay, so basically we're going to I'm going to focus on one strategy. It's sharing these apps. If you ever notice, have you ever downloaded an app like Uber or there's various apps, Uber Eats, DoorDash, all them type of apps up there. You share the app and they say, you refer a friend, you get, like $10 off or something, some type of bonus off your next order or something like that. Well, you know, there's so many apps like this. There's a lot of apps out there doing this where you could just share and get credits. I can just think of a list of a bunch of them. But a lot of people don't know there's actually apps out there that if you share, they'll actually pay you a small, bonus commission that you can actually use instead of getting credits for the app. You can actually get real money deposited into your bank account or your PayPal account. I'm going to be talking about one of these apps with a strategy that you can use to get $100 per day. So the app we're going to be talking about today is Dosh, and I'm going to go to an article because I'm going to show you, how you can make $100 a day with $0 to start. It's pretty easy. Right now they have a bonus going on where you simply just download the app, and if you just link your card, you can get a $7 bonus, and if you refer someone, you get a $25 bonus per referral. So if you refer 4 people, you get a $25 bonus, and all they have to do is link their card in, go to, some store that's on the app, and I can just pull up that right now for you guys. It's like an app like this. Don't know where the camera is. Right now, I just have like $10. I redeemed many times from it. I'll probably put some proof on the screen or something like that, but um, yeah, you just you find a place you want to shop, and then you just simply shop there, get something small like $1, 50 cent, and you know after that you get a $25. The person who referred, you would get a $25 bonus. You would get a $25 bonus, and for you just linking your card and signing up, you'll get a $7 bonus. So you go into a store to spend $1, 50 cent, or however much, whatever store is available. Whether you go to like Burger King or whatever's on the app, and there is a link in the description. It is my referral link, but I'm going to be actually teaching you in this video. So yeah, you refer someone, you pay $1 to shop somewhere, and you can get the refund also. You just beat in the algorithm that's inside this app that your card is swiped, that you use to shop with, and they send you a bonus of $25, and you've just made a profit of what, like 30 something bucks just from spending literally little to nothing. Or it can even be $0 because you're making a $7 bonus just for linking your card. You're really just overall just profiting. Then if you share this with like 4 or 5 of your friends to do the same exact thing, you just made yourself $100 simply from sharing an app and just going in, linking their card and then shopping with that same exact card for like under $1.50, whoever. It doesn't even matter. So many places on here that you can shop from. I can go through a list, but it all depends on your location also. So yeah, that's what you can do, And why I say this is so simple is because, people need to understand that this is like a small version of affiliate marketing, You're finding a product, and the product is the app, and then you're just sharing it with people, and you can get paid a commission. You don't have to be some celebrity to promote it. No, you can be just some average person with a small following. You have like 5,000 maximum friends on Facebook, 1,000 followers. You get 4 of your 1,000 followers to do this, you just made yourself $100. You do 4 friends a day, you just made $100 a day, you know. And this promo is only going to go on for like, I don't know, like a little bit for the next 2 weeks. So, take action now, to make yourself literally about $1,400 from taking action and, getting it done. You don't have to, wait there. And you can do this with strangers too. I don't know if people are comfortable with that, but you can go up to strangers, $25 per quote unquote sale, or just sharing an app. Be like, hey, blah blah blah. You don't have to necessarily know. Yeah, you can just recommend it. So I'm gonna zoom in on it. So as you can see, the Dosh app offers a $7 bonus plus $25 for each referral. Blah blah blah. Just to show you. And yes, it does pay out. There's so many people who've been using this app for months and months and months at a time. It's just all about whether you're gonna who it's really the people who make money is really the people who actually commit and take action to it. I've seen people make think like 7 grand in a month sharing this app with their friends, and or not even just their friends, they could just share it with random people and they're just profiting off of it. Like, and it's a really good app. You can also there's other ways to make money with it. You can share it with businesses and they can get their business on here. You can get money for that, or you can just simply get paid to just share the bet for its benefits. You get cash back from the app. It's all about, your preferences on how you go about sharing it. You find, you know, if you go to Burger King and you're standing outside of Burger King and you see like a lot of people coming for a Burger King, recommend them that. And that's so simple. No one's not gonna take a discount off their order, especially if they're eating or shopping in the place that they're in. So it's really not that hard. It's just really you gotta think outside the box when you go about, sharing this app. And you're getting a $25 bonus just for sharing a free app to another person. You know, it's almost like sales, but you're not really selling it. You're just sharing it or recommending it to someone else. You know, they're not pulling money out their pocket to get it either. Everyone downloads apps just to even test it out. So yeah, there's no reason to be skeptic. There's no like data thing that they're trying to do with your card or anything like that. They just want people. It's almost like, you know, when the app has these businesses on here, it's like they want their goal is to get people to shop there, but you don't necessarily have to shop there at all to make money. So, well, unless you want to make a significant amount of cash back, which is nothing wrong with that. You're just getting a discount for what you do every single day. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are shopping at these places anyway. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Refer 4 people a day to this app and you get a bonus. So it's over $100 at the end of the day. That's all I wanted to talk about. If you enjoyed this video, leave a subscribe. And if you really want to learn more about making money online, I have this free book that I want you to get access to. It's right here. It's the 5 components I wish I knew before starting an online business. I want you to grab that book. And also, just visit www.tafaridean.com/free book and really learn the concepts that I wish I knew before starting an online business. But yeah, if you really enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. I can't wait to post more content like this. No money needed. Click the link below if you want this app also. Can't wait to see you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.